Welcome to Everyday English. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are a special group of verbs used in English to express various moods, attitudes, or possibilities in a sentence. They help convey different meanings, such as ability, necessity, permission, obligation, and likelihood. Modal verbs are always followed by a base verb, the simple form of the verb, without to.
Can. Used to express ability, possibility, requests, or permission. She can play the piano beautifully. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? It can get very hot in the summer. Can you please pass me the salt? You can go to the party if you finish your homework. Could. Often used to indicate past ability or to make polite requests. He could speak Spanish when he was younger. Could you please pass the salt? I wasn't sure if he could attend the meeting last week. Could he marry her? When I was younger, I could climb that tree easily. Will. Used to express future actions or intentions. She will go to the store tomorrow. I promise I will always be there for you. Will you have some tea with me? Tomorrow, she will start her new job. I will meet you at the restaurant at 7 p.m. Would. Used for polite requests, making offers, or expressing hypothetical situations. Would you like some tea? If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. She would always bake cookies on Sunday afternoons. If I had the chance, I would learn to play the piano. She would always smile at strangers. Shall. Typically used in questions to make suggestions or offers. Shall we go to the movies tonight? I shall inform the team about the meeting tomorrow. We shall discuss the project during the conference call. Shall I bring some snacks to the party? I shall complete the report by the end of the day. Should. Indicates obligation, advice, or expectation. You should study for the exam. They should start studying early for the exam. In this situation, you should apologize for your behavior. She should be more careful when crossing the street. Should I call the doctor for an appointment? Must. Expresses necessity, strong obligation, or certainty. You must wear a seatbelt. It must be raining. Look at those dark clouds. I must remember to buy groceries on the way home. He must follow the safety regulations in the laboratory. To succeed in life, you must set clear goals and work toward them. May. Used to express permission, possibility, or uncertainty. May I use your phone? It may rain later, so bring an umbrella. He may visit her grandparents during the summer vacation. It may rain later, so bring an umbrella just in case. Might. similar to may, indicating a weaker possibility or a polite request. I might go to the party if I have time. Might I suggest a different approach? I might go to the beach this weekend if the weather is nice. If you study hard, you might get a good grade on the test. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.